Hey y'all, welcome back. It's your girl Lavish and reporting to you what? Live. So this wash and go was actually very bomb, but as you can see, it looks like my hair is in day 4 mode of a wash and go. And that is because I sweated it out at a party, but we'll talk about that later. So this was just the sweated out, dried version of my wash and go, but keep watching the videos to see how it actually came out with my curls.
Hey, put the place up. Put my face up.
I've been seeing a lot of people use this Oars. I'm gonna just assume that's how you say it, because like how else would you say it?
What are you?
An idiot sandwich.
Idiot sandwich what?
An idiot sandwich, Chef Ramsay.
I wanted to try the Oars Curls Unleashed line that they have for wash and goes. And like maybe a month ago, I got their leave-in conditioner because I wanted to try something different than my Cantu leave-in, because I've literally been using that since I started doing my hair for real. So that's been since like middle school. So I wanted to switch it up, try something new, see if anything works better on my hair. It's cool or whatever, you know. I think I'm so used to my Cantu because it has like a thicker consistency than most leave-ins, and it was kind of weird like feeling that watery consistency. So I got these smaller versions of their curl boosting jelly and their curl defining cream. So we're gonna use these packs and see how they work. If my hair don't come out good, I have somebody to go tonight, and guess what? I'm not going. So if you haven't watched my wash and go video, click the link in my description, because since I already did a video, I'm not gonna go through all the steps again. But first I re-wet my hair so that I can get the curl pattern going back. So we're gonna start off with the leave-in. And there's no real point of opening this because I already have the bottle, so I really just got that for clout. But it was only like $1, so sorry. So now I'm gonna use their curl defining cream. I'm a little nervous because sometimes some of these creams be weird. It smells like Kool-Aid.
Oh yeah!
Kind of weird, but this consistency actually isn't bad. It's a little thicker or like pastier than Cantu, but it's not that bad. Seems to be locking my curls in pretty nicely. Okay, very lightweight. It's lightweight. I'm banging with it. I'm gonna end it off in the curl boosting jelly. Yo, these smells are weird. They smell like...
Do you smell it? That smell. A kind of smelly smell.
a lemon pound cake. Now we got Kool-Aid and lemon in my hair. Like, that's weird. I actually never use jelly because every time I tried it, I got that crunchy feeling. But supposedly, this is crunch-free curl definition, so we're gonna see if that's real. Okay, so I'm at the top of my head now. I don't like this combination. Like, my curls are really defined. I think I actually like this gel. Like I said before, I don't really use them, but it doesn't feel very crunchy. Like, I mean, it's still wet, but usually, like, even when I put it on while it's wet, I can feel it, the back hardening when it dries. But I don't feel that right now, and I'm a little excited because maybe I found some new products, you know. Okay, so I finished everything. It feels very lightweight, and my hair sucked it up very well. Like with Cantu, if I like squeeze my hair out, there's a lot of excess moisturizer coming out. But with this, everything seems to just like be just enough. You feel me? I don't know if I'm gonna pick this over Cantu. I'm gonna see, like I said, how it is when it dries, but so far, like, it came out very defined. Like, yes, it's nice, and it's not crunchy, so I'm hoping it stays that way. So we finna be back when my hair dries, you feel me? We gonna see if it actually does me wonders, you know. The wash and go would have been perfect. These products actually worked really well. If I didn't sweat out the party yesterday, it would have been great. But like, the shape is bomb, cool, but like no curl definition whatsoever. Alright, I'm maxing. But like, this is like how my day 4 hair would look of a wash and go. This is not supposed to be day 2. I don't know if I'm just too used to how my hair feels with Cantu or if my hair actually feels dry right now, but I feel like it doesn't give it as much moisture because my hair feels kind of dry, and it felt like that yesterday too. But I also didn't put oil, so it's probably my fault. But the gel actually didn't make my hair crunchy at all. It actually locked in the curls very nicely, so I think I'm going to start using that and then just mix it with my cream, because that probably is what made it feel so dry, because their cream, I don't know. I didn't have a problem with their cream, but I just don't think it moisturized my hair well enough. But it might just be how it worked out on my hair. So still try it out because the combination was very nice. My curls were amazing. I mean, they still are hide or whatever. I mean, I guess, so whatever. But thanks y'all for watching. I hope you don't hate me for messing up my wash and go. But, you know, life happens. You feel me? So I would say come back in 2 weeks for the next video. But it'll probably be like 2 weeks and a half just because I'm moving in. But it's okay.
Allow me to reintroduce myself. My name is